Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to make your Twitter account private. Now before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service and also make sure that you've already logged in into your device. So without any further delay, let us get started. Now once you tap on Twitter, so the interface looks something like this. Now what you have to do is on this following page, right on top on the upper left corner, so there you can see a profile icon, just tap on it. So as you tap on it, on the other page you will see your info. So what you have to do is just simply scroll down right to the bottom, and down there on the second last option you can see settings and privacy. So just simply tap on it. So on the other page there you have info about the settings, and down there you can see a list of different options. So from here what you have to do is you simply have to tap on privacy and safety, which is on the fourth step. So once again on the other page you will land inside the privacy and safety info. Just simply tap on audience and settings, which is on the first step. So as soon as you tap on it, on the other page you can see audience and tagging. Now down there on the second step there you can see protect your tweets. So in order to make your account private, all you have to do is just simply tap on the button, which is on the right hand side corner. And as soon as you tap on the button, which means that your Twitter account has been turned into a private account. And this is how you can make your account private on Twitter application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.